Tell me, am I bugging, guys? Is it supposed to fit like a dress? There you go. So one side, oh my God, this is together too. Is this how it's made? I'm being serious now. Is this how it's made? Look at the socks, guys. We got Maison Margiela Supreme. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And y'all know how much I love Supreme. That's my joint, man. Kip too, but Supreme, I like, man. This week, this season, I ain't really been feeling it, man. You know, I always give y'all my honest reviews. But last week, we got the Maison Margiela Supreme, and I was so hyped to get this t-shirt, man. Like, I didn't know if the t-shirt moved, if it was like some kind of eye situation. I just wanted that t-shirt. That's all I wanted from the drop. The hoodie, very, very dope, but I knew I wasn't going to wear it. I really didn't like that style. That tee I really wanted. But when it dropped, I couldn't acquire it, man. And I salute Supreme for doing that bot system, even though clearly I'm not a bot. But that's the reason why I kind of missed out on the tee also. But at least some of the bots didn't win, so I'm happy about that. But today I got the Maison Margiela Hanes socks and the Tagless tanks. They didn't have the tees, right? Because I know I would have got the tees. No, but this is dope, man. And at first I was like, it's going to look just like the regular Hanes Supreme joint, but it don't. So in this video, I'm going to show y'all like the differences between the regular Hanes and Supremes and the added Maison Margiela tags that kind of made this a little different. Seeing that B-roll, Supreme accessories, crazy, every color t-shirt, tagless Hanes joint. But right here is the Hanes Maison Margiela Supreme joints. The packaging is even different, guys. Different packaging, looks more bold. The sizing looks more bold. Everything looks different on this one compared to the regular one. Right here reads Hanes Tagless Tanks MM6 1 pack black. You see it there. Got the Supreme logo there. And then whatever size you got there. But what's crazy is the size I picked was medium. I guess medium is a 6. So that's why the 6 is circled. Rip this open. I'm really just more like on the feel of material, man. Like off touch, the material feels the same. You get the tag in there, Supreme Margiela tag. The tape is even a little more designer, guys. On the regular Hanes joints, you get like regular Scotch tape. This tape is a lot different. It's still Scotch tape, but it's different tape. Take this off.
A few moments later.
Cardboard reads nothing inside. Man, there's a lot of tape on this joint, man. Tape everywhere. All right. Tape together. All right, I think that should be it. Tell me, am I bugging, guys? Is it supposed to fit like a dress? I thought it was taped together. Look, my whole tank top is a dress. I'm happy we seeing this in real time. Guys, am I bugging? What? This is crazy, guys. So, this is the front. The back has the sizing, I guess. I'm confused. This is supposed to be in the inside. But this is clearly the front. Because that's where the Supreme logo is. But instead of being cut right here, everything's together. Like a dress. Oh, this is crazy, man. I'm going to have to contact Supreme and do a follow-up with you guys and see what they say. But in the comment section below, let me know if anybody else's came like this. Well, moving on to the socks. Hopefully the socks ain't like that. Same logo and as the tank. Shoe size 6 to 12. Oh, y'all got it there. I got it there. Hanes. Supreme. Everything's there. Man, hopefully this ain't a one sock. Because I don't know what's going on now, man. Tag on. There you go. So one side. Oh my God, this is together too. Is this how it's made? I'm being serious now. Is this how it's made? Look at the socks, guys. What is going on, man? I'm joking, guys. Y'all know I was joking. Well, both of them, man, you're supposed to cut it yourself, guys. You're supposed to cut it yourself. So, on one side, you got Margiela X. The other one, Supreme. As you can look right here, you're supposed to cut it yourself, guys. Down the line. See that little net in there? You cut it yourself. Material for the socks does feel different, does feel better, guys. Hanes on the bottom, like the original. Very dope. The material does feel better. But as you can see, the stitching is even a little thicker on these ones also. And the feel is a little thicker, guys. Same look, but material is definitely a little better on the Margiela socks. So again, showing y'all, you see the little printed line there. You're supposed to cut them yourself. You kind of see a little better on the back. I know I had y'all freaked out. I was freaked out at first too, guys. And one more thing I want to show y'all because it just came. The day the Chiefs won the Super Bowl, I'm a Cowboy fan, but I like Patrick Mahomes, man. I like that guy. But the day they won the Super Bowl, I brought the Patrick Mahomes Super Bowl jersey from Fanatics. And it just came, guys, like 2 days ago. I think that was February 12th I brought it, February 14th, sometime around Valentine's Day in the Super Bowl. But the jersey's here, man. And I like everything about the jersey, so the weight was great. I love that Super Bowl logo there, thick 3D. Just wish it was the Cowboys, man. The AFC patch. Mahomes. Definitely a great buy, man. I think I paid like $150 for it, but I had so much Fanatics fan cash, Nike, that I think I only paid like $80 once I finally like hit buy. But yeah, man, I want to show y'all this too. Man, Margiela had me fooled. Yes, sir. So that was just a quick review on this crazy Supreme Margiela Hanes tanks. I didn't even hear nobody even talking about this, but I just kind of used my brain to kind of figure it out. As far as the tanks, you know Margiela is a big fashion powerhouse. So they big with distress. So if you cut this down the middle, you will get a distressed look. I like it. I seen like pictures and a couple of Reddits of people saying that Margiela wants you to wear it doubled. I've seen pictures of that, but I don't think that was the case. I just think they wanted to be different. You cut this and you get a distressed look. But as far as the socks, I don't really see a distressed look because this netting is so, like, it's on par. Like, it's down the middle. Once you cut this, it's going to be just straight. It's going to be a nice joint. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. Did you cop? And I'm happy if you copped and you see this video, you know that it's not a fluke. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.